movement, pero it's open to all man, to all
Religions, race, creed.
races, really open. And then our foundress is an Italian. Was an Italian. She died already 2 years ago. She is Chiara Lubin from Turin. I don't know, it's Turin.
From Turin.
And then parang it started when they felt no that kasi this movement started when in the middle of World War. So they've been thinking na everybody was destroyed, even the houses, a lot of things now. And then at once they think na kung saka ang dili ma-destroy, which is only the gospel, to really live the gospel. So it started, then they're helping people, and then it reached na to I think more or less 180 countries. So
Oh.
nasa siya doon.
It's a very big movement, lalo na sa Europe. It's a very famous movement.
And then the spirituality is really unity. Kasi unity, di ba, when you say unity, even though you're very different, so as long as there's this unity, we are trying to establish this unity, but the spirituality of unity. Anyway, ako Colarino, Ellie will be the one explaining
In detail, what?
details.
And plus, you should do your homework